TBN Asia stands for Transformational Business Network Asia. And what it does is that it networks together investors who have a heart to make an impact in the lives of the people and connect them with social impact enterprises and companies that are in the ASEAN region. TBN itself is an activist. We get involved directly in projects, and that's why we are able to bring actually our partners in.
You may have heard of Agape, but not many people know the actual story of Agape, the very beginnings of Agape. This call center that I started out from my very home. I had only $700, and I started from home with just 2 seats. Today we have a staff strength of almost 95. By the end of this year, we'll be easily employing about another 120 inmates. And the most rewarding is the friendship and the relationship that I've established with TBN, Explorer, and even Garden Impact.
Basically, Explorer is a partner of TBN. Now, TBN has 3 functions or 3 components. You have to educate, we have to explore, and then we have to empower. The Explore is where Explorer comes in to bring impact trip to the participant and bring the participant to see the enterprises at work. So we want to be able to connect a traveler and to reach out to this community.
We have TBN Asia Conference 2017 this year. All right, it begins on the 14th to the 15th of September in Jakarta in a hotel called the Grand Mercure Kemayoran. And we bring together all the impact funds, plus those who are investors, plus the impact companies together. But better still, we have impact trips that brings them to see some of the social impact companies in Jakarta and in ASEAN. Do come and join us. Thank you.